Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, in my previous video we covered the basics of Figma Motion, how to create simple animations and get familiar with the interface. Today we are taking it a step further by creating this animated Bento Grid from start to finish. So let's jump in. Let's begin by opening the Figma plugin library. Now search for Bento Grid. I have already installed it here. We can do it this way. Manage plugins, Bento Grid. Here we can see different plugins that we can choose and install. I have already chosen this one, so you install it and then launch. This plugin quickly generates a clean Bento layout, giving us a solid starting point that we can use. We can customize however we like it. Here we can see its options, width, height and so on. Also the count of the sections, which is the most important. We can change the corner radius as well. Here have two more functions, equal row width and expand center section. I can remove this one and create Bento. Here we can see our Bento. I also will add expand center section and add one more Bento here. Now we can see its difference. Before we dive into animating our Bento Grid, let's have a quick recap of how Figma Motion works. If you have already watched my previous tutorial, this will be a great refresher. From here, we can change design mode into motion mode. Here will appear our timeline. In the right bar, when we choose an object, we can see the options of animation. Here we can change it, position, scale, rotation, opacity and so on. Also their features, their own features. Slide in, here slide out, direction, delay, duration. All these we can control also with timeline, which is here. And using keyframes, we can give complete control over how elements move. Here I have already inserted my moodboard pictures to the Bento Grid. As we know, Bento Grid should have images of the same style, same meaning or color. So let's start animating our cards. First I will start with apple, choosing it and adding animation. I will add position animation and here type I will choose custom. Axis I will choose Y, which means that the element slides in from the bottom. I will set start value 200 and leave end value 0, which means it begins 200 pixels lower and smoothly moves back onto its original position. Delay and duration I will leave as they are. So let's play it and to see the result. If we want it to move not so fast, here we can change duration to 1500. Let's see it again. Now it smoothly comes to the frame. To make the animation feel more natural, I will keep also a small 30 milliseconds delay, so it starts quickly and gently slows down before stopping. So, to continue, I will choose this element of green apple, this card, and add animation. For it, I will choose rotation. This part I will leave as it is, rotate in clockwise and 180 degrees. This creates a dynamic entrance without being too distracting. Let's have a look on that. I think it's rotating very fast. So what we can do here is adding 50 milliseconds delay. Also duration I will set 2 seconds. So I will write here 1000 and will ease out. This movement slows down naturally as it finishes. I think it is rotating now more clearly. We see the movement. I will add animation for this lemon's card as well. I want it to move like the green apple moves, so I will add rotation, but I want it to be in the opposite direction. So what I will do, I will add animation of rotation, but instead of rotating I will choose rotate out and counterclockwise. Here, as it was for the previous card, I will add 50 milliseconds of delay, and also here 2 seconds, and the other I will leave the same. So let's look what we have. Now they are moving to the opposite direction. I think it is really very fantastic. For the bottles card, I decided to choose scale in effect, and it starts smaller than its final size and gradually scales up into place. I have set the amount here 60%, which means each card begins at 60% of its original size before growing to its final size. This creates a nice entrance. What about delay? I decided to set it 0 milliseconds because I want this particular card to start immediately. For the final element, I will use another sliding animation from the left. I will leave its settings, distance 200 from left, slide in, only will duration add a little bit more, like 650. And let's see what we are having here. So it enters a bit faster. Since it's one of the last elements to appear, a quicker animation helps maintain the flow and keeps the overall sequence feeling responsive. And that's it. With just a few simple animations, position, slide, rotation, we have transformed the static Bento Grid into something much more engaging. The key is to combine different motion styles, use subtle delays and choose easing that feels natural. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Figma motion tutorials.